This time I'm going to enclose the pattern inside the circle stencil, but without painting a different colour background inside this. So I've placed it by eye in the centre of this table. It was easy enough to do because the square surrounding this circle isn't really much bigger than the table. Then I'll get the stencil that I used just a minute ago and place it so that I've got all the bits of pattern that I like inside it. That doesn't mean I don't like the rest of the pattern, I'm just actually picking the best bits to go into the circle. It's had a little bit of spray repositioning adhesive on the back, and I'm pressing it down into place. I'm going to use exactly the same colours and brushes that I used just a moment ago. Make sure the tips of the bristles are just damp, not wet. And randomly apply your colour. Of course, you don't have to randomly apply it. You can be very, very precise and pick out various areas of the design. You know, your leaves could be green, your flowers could be whatever colour you like, but this is just going to be a blend of orange, fuchsia and turquoise. A bit like me, really. You don't have to worry about going towards the edge of the stencil because all the pattern is contained inside that circle stencil that we've got underneath this one. And bigger brushes is faster work. You just keep going until all of the spaces are filled. Which might be around about now-ish. Okay then, let's see what we have. Let's just take the two things off together. So that was the circle stencil that was underneath and the pattern one on top. There we have another way of using the circle stencil with the pattern one.